What's happening, guys? We're back again. 85 degrees outside, so it is hot. So we're going to cool off again, do a little creek fishing, hopefully some more smallmouth. Same creek that we fished in the past, but this is a completely different section, so it's completely different water than we fished before. Today was opener of Kentucky squirrel season. We went out and tried that, and it was a total bust. We saw one squirrel, but nothing eventful. No squirrels brought home with us, so no video there. So just hang with us and let's get out and do some creek fishing on this hot day.
Yep.
Bentley, go towards that little tree. That way you can grab a hold of it. Whoop, man down. Well, we're 2 for 2. The last creek fishing video we did, I fell and Colin fell. And now you both have failed. And I haven't even started yet, so I'm probably gonna fall too. It's gonna get ridiculous. I know, I'm just gonna squish you flat. You ain't reeling that fast enough, Bent. I'm already videoing. So today, Colin here, he's using the old trusty Rebel Crawdad crankbait, shallow floater.
I'm using this.
Bentley's using a black and silver kind of shiny shad, and I am using the same thing, little swim bait. It's a white one though, mine's a little smaller than his. Oh God, oh my God. That's a good, I don't know, man, it's a big fish. I don't know what it is. It's a good fish. I'm assuming it's a smallmouth because, man, he hit it hard, but man, that's a good fish. He tore this thing up. Yeah, it's a smallie. That's a good one. Yeah. Yeah, he came out of that. I had a feeling there was one hiding over in there. Well, try it. Try it, man. Well, if you quit wiggling, you little rascal. Colin let me use his good old pliers today, didn't you, Kaka? Oh. Get him, get him. Oh, he got off. It's all right.
Shut up. You shot him so down.
Hey, be nice to each other. Calm it down. There you go. First smallie of the day, not bad. Well, Colin, you just cast 4 miles, son. Woo! Yeah, boy. As you can see, I've switched over to a rooster tail now. Brown and white polka dot. Colin's still rocking the crawdad, and Bentley, he switched over to a watermelon rooster tail. We do really good with these. Whoo! Got one. Oh, that's a good one too. Oh my God, he got off. Oh, it was a good one. I just hooked a big one, Colin. Yeah, he got off. Oh, hey, I had a chub minnow.
I just saw a big bite. Nobody cast where I'm casting.
A chub minnow just bit mine twice. I actually saw it right there.
That's exactly where I cast.
Oh, that's exactly where I cast. There's where you cast. Jerk.
Got one. Got one.
What is that? Oh God!
I threw him up on land.
I see that. Oh my God! You've hauled him out of there.
I thought I was stuck on a log, and I thought I was toting a dang log out of the little river. That thing. Oh God! I think I'm gonna throw up.
Why?
Because it hurt my stomach.
If you guys can see how the paint's tore off this thing, watermelon. Is a good color.
I'm throwing it in.
You're gonna hook me in the face.
Sorry.
Is a good color of rooster tail. It always does good. Bentley, you're gonna kill it. There we go. Because it's a boy goat. Oh, God, he came right up out of there. I was not expecting that. I saw him come up out of there too. Woo! Lord have mercy. That's a good one. Ow, he spurred me. Ow. Ow. You're a fiery little son of a gun, I just tell you. What? Not Smalley.
This ain't fun no more.
Pitch it.
Killing all the fish.
You're not killing all the fish. Oh gosh.
Got stuck.
All right, here. Let me
There's
get
right
him.
there.
I know.
Hey, did you see him?
I didn't. I wasn't watching. I was trying to deal with mine over here.
I had it holding. I jerked and it was. I hit.
Shh. We're videoing, honey.
Oh.
Quit saying that stuff. Hi, puppy. Hi, buddy. Buddy, you need to go home, honey. Oh, God, it was a smallie. That was shocked me, actually. I thought it was a, what? Yeah. Another nice little smallie. Starting to rain on us, fellas. Again. Remember how this worked out for us last time, don't you? I know. Thundering again, too. Just like the last time.
Oh, it's starting to rain harder.
Oh, man.
It's gonna take over.
There you go. Good cast. I like it. Good cast, Ben. Okay, my radar won't work. You're probably gonna get wet, boys.
Yeah, man, I'm already wet.
You all right with that?
Yeah, I don't care. I mean, I already fell down in the water once, so what's left to get rain on?
Got one.
Really? Yep.
Another little smallie.
The creek's never gonna get so much money out of
Hopefully not. If you guys watched our last creek fishing video, then you know I talked about us not getting any footage from the one day we went creek fishing because it rained. And look at this. We brought the camera with us today. Oh, Colin's got one on. Oh yeah, he's hauling it out of there. Get it out of there, baby. In the pouring down rain. One smallie. Very cool. That's fine. Two smallie.
Daddy,
Yay.
cold.
Ah.
God, it's cold. And we got no branches to hide under.
I know. It is cold water in it.
It's all the way. Oh, we can go home. Oh, we've gone home.
That's good. Ah.
I snagged him, didn't I?
Yeah, but you didn't snag him by chance. I'm sure he came up to eat your bait and he missed it, but you got him anyway. Here, lip him. Oh, you lip him good. Yeah. Pitch him in. All right, the rain's about to quit already. That's good. Do you? Get him, Colin. Bring him out of there. Oh, he got off. That's okay. That was a good one. Do it, cast it out, try it again. There's got to be a nut in there somewhere. That was awesome. Oh my God! He get, yeah, got you right there at your feet, didn't he?
Yeah, I jumped because I was trying to get out of the boat, and he was just sitting right there.
Bring him to me. I'll unhook him. Little smallie. Grab a hold of him. Get him! Up there he went. That was easy release. There he goes. So today's video is a bit of a short one. As you can see, we have been in another torrential downpour. I don't know how this keeps happening to us. We got to start looking at the weather before we take off fishing, evidently. Yeah. This is twice in the past month that we've got rained on. But nonetheless, we caught some fish. We had a good time. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get these guys out of here because they cold.